It's that time of year again, baby. What is going on YouTube? Right now I'm just stopping back at the house. We are on our way for our first Sunday Funday of the season. It's like 50 degrees today and we about to go progress, y'all. Like, did I put it in the car already? Maybe I did. Oh well, we out. Stopped home for a but yeah, today we about to go progress, homie. Like, it's all about making small upgrades to your bike that you feel like you need to make shit happen. So I'm gonna show y'all what I recently did. So you see that on my seat? I added me a little hump because I'm determined to get no-handers, and I just wanted to be locked in. And actually, I've been out and I've been able to do them. And what's funny is this little hump right here, since it's risen up a little bit, helps in itself. And I made this a little too long, so I'm gonna cut it down to like here and then move it forward, so that way this is locking me in. But even this little hump right here, yo, night and day difference. Like, so I'm straight stoked to get out to the lot today. Hopefully the homie come out and I'm not there by myself, but if I am, I'm ready to fall either way. Got my lady on alert, but let's go get it, y'all. Yeah, yeah.
Monkey.
Baby, we back at the lot. We made it out here, man. Y'all see paradise, man. Paradise. This is where we come, let out all our stresses, and get this progress going. And today I really don't have any focus for this video, other than this ride. And honestly, I might put my wrist camera on, maybe a little later, try to get some cool footage and whatnot. But I'm gonna just ride, and I guess kind of just drop tips where I feel like tips could be given to my homies that watch me. Like, I know what y'all after, and I know what y'all working on. So I'm gonna work on my shit, but then every once in a while, I might work on something else just to show y'all what I want you to look for when you're out here riding and, you know, attempting these tricks. When I talk about dropping it back and rolling, like, sometimes I feel like you might not truly understand what I mean by rolling, so I'm gonna show you. But let's just get out here, get warmed up, and get to riding. Boy, does it feel good to be out here. Back out here again, man. Lot looks ugly. I should have brought a blower. Just working on getting comfy, dropping back. Like I said, I made that upgrade on my seat, and it's made a world of a difference. Like, just getting used to being back there now and just hanging out. So that's why today I'm prepared to fall. The other day I was knocking some shit out clean. We're going to see if we can keep doing it today. Should set my tripod up out here somewhere if I have it. Let's just work. Just being back there, man. That same back there, that's what I'm talking about in a knee knocker and anything. When I say roll it, like right now, you're popping it up and you're going. But a roll is like back, and I'm not even on the gas. I'm just rolling. Now my idle kicks in. Now I'm picking back up at the gas, rolling. Tap a little brake, roll, idle kick. So that's what I mean by like bringing back. Like, you gotta, like, it's hard to explain. Like, you're kind of riding the brake as it comes back, and there's an in-between amount of brake that you're using. where like the bike's not gonna come down, it's gonna stay up. But like you're on the brake guiding the bike in a way. That you will learn in time. That comes with plenty of time. That's the finesse part. But what I want y'all to get used to is like not being afraid to pop it up, drop it back, roll, hit the brake, and bring it in. You know? Pop it up, drop it back, roll, hit the brake, bring it down. And it's just a light tap on the brake. Same thing here. My knee knocks it home. Bring it up, like right here is where you're at. And you're chasing it out and you're there. Bring it up, let it roll. Tap the brake. But the tip I told you before, don't hit it too hard so you don't trap yourself. That is what I'm talking about. Be ready for it. Be ready for it. Like, once you start rolling, the brakes become so much stronger. And when you tap it too hard, it's gonna come down. But yeah, like you're here, riding, like, and I'm riding the brake right now. Drop it back. It's all about transferring your body weight too. If you know it's coming back, lean on that knee. Lean on that knee. And that's what I mean by bring it back and roll it. I am off the gas. I'm not on the gas. I'll show you what you're doing. This is what you're doing. I know exactly where you at, bro. I know where you at. You're right here in the wheel. Still chasing. Now I got more power, so I can keep it up. But like you're chasing it like that when it's starting to come down. Remember that? Remember I told you. When it starts to come down, you got to toss it back further than that smooth spot you was at before. If you got an idle adjuster, kick it up just a hair. It's going to help you. It's going to make it smoother up top. So like I said, pop it up. This is where you're at. Still gassing it. Still going forward. Increasing. I'm trying to look down at my RPM so that way you can see what I see in your footage. I got you. Hold up. I got you. Watch how my RPM is going up. Like I said, I'm where you're at. And then watch where I toss it back to. Actually, so, the smooth spot, right, is right here. And I bring it down to chase like what you do. But in order to slow down, I got to bring it higher than that smooth spot. You see that? And then get into the brake. That's what I mean. Like, you got to, there is a push-pull game that you're doing with your arms. Like, it ain't, people ain't just riding wheelies easy. It's workout. That's what I say. Number one thing you can do, get in the gym. Like you see, I'm only doing a little bit, and my breathing has changed because this shit's work. But enough tips. Let me get back to work. No hander. See that? That's what we're after today. Used to being back there. Sometimes I can toss a no hand off and feel good. Other times, like I'm still getting used to it, I feel a little shaky. So, I'll be trying. Recovering from your drop back, not hitting the brake too hard and bringing the wheel down. You got to listen to your bike. Like, watch. You'll hear it slow down as I drop back. I'm almost stalling it, but I need to listen to it and know that, like, all right, I'm hitting the brake, it's about to stall, and as it drops to a certain point, start getting back in the gas because you don't want it to stall. Swerve action is some new shit that I started working on. That's some new shit I was working on. Like I said, I got back out on the bike. This shit just felt different, Brody. But it's work though, y'all. It's work. Like, I'm not cool in here. I'm getting hot. It's sweating. Worst part about it is I need a new back tire too. From doing circles to the left, the side of my tire is more worn out, and I can feel it. It fucking pulls me. People asking why I don't lock my bars. Look at my knee. It's in the way. Anybody watching got tips on catching idle and keeping it smooth? Drop them down below. Like, it's largely about throttle control, because once you catch idle, if you get back in the gas too hard, it'll kick you. Whew! Working out, baby, working out. But yeah, tell me what y'all want tips on. Like, y'all see I'm big on trying to get you to progress. I want everybody to be nasty. So, tell me what's got you puzzled and what you want to learn. Okay, second gear, make it a little easier to float. Yeah, baby, we gonna get that. We gonna get that. Yeah, nigga. But you'll come to find that there'll be a day when, like, certain tricks click, and then other days they don't click as much. And when those tricks click that day, work them hard. Like, don't stop until you're like frustrating yourself and you actually can't do it no more, just because you're tired. But like, once the trick starts to click, just drill it. One thing I want to learn is double tap scrape. Like, I don't know if you got to put a clutch in to do it or not, but like to drop back in the same coast. I don't know. That's what I was kind of thinking about back there in that last one. I was like, man, should I try it? I was like, I feel falling written all over it. I wasn't ready to go down. I'm going down and no-hander today, because once I start getting better and better, I want to push them more, especially first gear. Big advocate, if you can master first gear, ease it into second gear, just know that second gear is less brake for everything. So you just got to feather it more. One foot, one hand. Like, my foot's hanging, but it ain't on the ground. That's what I'm at. No foot on the ground. Wind almost took me. Alright, we haven't done a stand-up yet. I'm staying away from handbrakes. But just to, you gotta make sure you still got the shit. That thing go hard. That on my knot. Woo! That hurt. Man, I'm feeling it now. Thought I was going to be able to shake it off. Shit. My bullet. Oh, my bullet. They were literally right under me when I landed. Standing